Ready
Hello,
to do
friends,
so.
engineers, and developers. Welcome to another segment of Embedded Insiders Podcast. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and your host for this segment. Very excited to have you all listening. Thank you so much. I am delighted to be here with Ansgar Hein of SGET, and Ansgar is going to fill us in on some news that you absolutely need to know about. There's a new oHFM standard. Ansgar, welcome to the program.
Hey, Ken, thank you for having me.
The,
So,
the the pleasure's mine. It's great to finally get a chance to talk to you and to chat. My first question is an easy one. Tell us about the new standard. What is it?
okay, so basically it's about FPGA. We are known for other standards that are very modular and open at SGET. So, for example, SMARC or OSM. And we thought about FPGA for a while and thought, why not standardize modular FPGA components? So everybody told us, that'll be difficult. It's a whole different story than comms. And then we went for it. So we've got a lot of FPGA expertise in the group. And so we created the first Open Harmonized FPGA Module standard. So that is what oHFM stands for, Open Harmonized FPGA Module. And it comes in two flavors, basically. So we've got it solderable, and we've got it connector-based. So we've put all of our knowledge that we have inside of SGET of solderable modules like we had with OSM and SMARC and Q7 connector-based modules into one big module standard, so to say.
So we have a pretty big, broad base of engineering disciplines and stuff in our listenership. Who's going to be most interested who's going to absolutely need to go out and figure this out? I mean, a lot of folks are working with FPGAs now, as you know, automotive everywhere, they're, who's going to be looking for this in particular?
I think it'll be engineers who are already into comms, and also those who are using FPGAs. There are several FPGA modules out there.
Sure.
That's for sure. But they lack one thing, which is exchangeability. So you just have to stick with one vendor, and then you have a vendor lock-in. So if you're looking for a second source, then that'll be probably something you'll be searching for. So it could be also project managers, so to say, who are looking for something as a second source. So
yeah, that makes sense. So we've got Embedded World coming up. I know that SGET is going to be involved there. Are we going to be able to see any sort of use cases or proof of concepts or anything at Embedded World?
So we don't have our own booth there because all of our members are there with their own booth, and usually you don't get that much of personnel at the Embedded World to cover our booth as well. So, but our members will be presenting oHFM. I know that at least iWave will be showcasing the first oHFM connector-based module there. So I know there will be some of the members showcasing something. Probably samples first, but the standards is brand new.
Awesome. That's really, really cool. Folks out there listening, if you're working in FPGA now, or you've been thinking about playing around with it, adopting maybe, this seems like the perfect opportunity. So make sure you're checking out the SGET membership at Embedded World, because I know a bunch of you'll be there, or check it out on the internet. Speaking of which, Ansgar, where can folks go to learn more about the new oHFM standard?
Yes, on our website, actually. So it's all covered on SGET.org. There's the standard documents are available. You just got to throw in your email address, accept the terms and conditions, and download it for free, and you're ready to use it. So unless you want to commercialize it and make a module out of it, then you got to become a member, which is also very easy and straightforward. You can sign up online. So I think it's 900 for a starter package. That's not too much.
Incredible. And I encourage you folks out there, go ahead and become a member. That's nothing. then you've got all the access that you need to do. In the meantime, thank you so much, Ansgar, for taking the time to talk us through the standard, introduce it to the listenership. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Ken.
And to you folks out there listening, remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you've just been had this podcast shared with you, make sure you give your friend who shared it with you a hug and subscribe because you don't want to miss any of our episodes of Embedded Insiders. And if you're watching us on YouTube, you'll notice that we do these on video now. So subscribe to us here on YouTube if that's where you are. If you're not there, get over there and click the notification bell, do all the things, and you'll find the link to the new standard down in the show notes. So thank you all so much for listening. Thank you so much, Ansgar and SGET, for helping us out.
Thank you, Ken.
Have a great day, folks.